wondering if that is metal up there. Is that metal or not? Let's go see. Oh, it's blinking. Now I messed it up though. Hopefully I got the angle right. Let's brush y'all. Looks like a brush is going to be it. That's alright, I never expect anything from here anyway. What's that? Okay. I got a brush. Woohoo for me, right?
What is that?
I think this goes on here. Yep. It says twist, spray, lather, and shave. Wonder how you get that off. There. Look.
What is it?
Isn't that crazy?
What is it?
Twist, spray, lather, and shave. There's one shaver missing. It'd be funny if I found it in here. Collect these. This one's pretty. There's flowers on it. On to the next one.
Oof.
It's hot out there.
It is hot out there.
Huh?
I said it is hot out there.
I thought you were mocking me.
No.
What are you doing?
Texting people?
Supposed to be helping Nana.
I'm not jumping in a dumpster. I said I'd help you with your yard sale.
Alright. You're no fun.
You're no fun.
You're no fun.
You're no fun here.
You just don't want to get hot. Kirklands! I don't want to get caught. That'd be fun. Is that plain white paper? It is. I can take that. I got uses for plain white paper. Broken mirror right here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything in here. Bring this to the truck. Oh boy. This is not looking hopeful. Everything is soaked. There's a shoe. Wonder if the other one's in here. It is. It's right there. Oh, really? Tassel though. There was a tassel that I wanted. Is that the garbage truck? No. A piece. That looks like all we're gonna find. Alright. The tassel's okay because I've been putting stuff on my backpack.
Got a call from an unknown number.
Okay. You didn't answer?
No.
Good. Uh-oh. I bumpy my camera. I'll check the number in a little bit. Now look. Yeah. There's craft stuff in there, but I'm gonna leave it. Alright, let's go check these. Voila. Looks like a whole lot of nothing in here. Yeah, packing supplies, that's it. Okay. Next. They wouldn't make it that easy. I think I'm gonna get Spike so I can check these bags. I need to be quieter. We need to be quieter. Let's see here. Yeah. This one's probably going to be yuck too. Looks like they had a meeting with food. Served food, I should say. Alright. Anything in these? And that cart is still there. Alright. That's it. Let's see if Harbor Freight has anything for us. Usually isn't anything on this side, but I'm gonna look. I always look anyway. It's usually like empty boxes and stuff. They usually hide the good stuff on the other side where you can't hardly get in. Boy, they made it tight this time. I don't see anything in there anyway. Anything up here? Alright, onward. Just as I thought. Empty. Oh well, can't win them all. Dollar Tree and I think the sporting goods dumpster. Oh, there's one of those boards in here that Jaden got hurt on. Let's see if I can reach it without Spike. Yeah, I can. It's a cool one too. Let's see what she thinks. She just said something to me. See what she said. What?
That almost killed me.
I know it did. But now I have two. So I can give it to another grandchild to get hurt on.
Trying to give us all concussions.
She's blaming me. She's the one that wanted the thing. And begged and begged and talked me into it. A couple of old cowboy boots and that thing was it, I guess. Let's go check the Dollar Tree out. Hopefully we don't get caught. That would blow. Alright. Let there be something in here. I might have to crawl in. Yeah, I might have to crawl in. Even though it doesn't look like there's a whole lot in here. I don't know, do I feel like crawling in? That one might have some stuff, but not anything worth crawling in for, I don't think. I think I see a flower right there. Well, may as well crawl partway in. sorry for the view. Let's check. It's heavy. But yeah, there's nothing in it. Did that for nothing. Alright, here goes the view again. I suppose I should check that box. I'm not doing this so good today. Wonder if that's an employee. If it is, he is intent on getting home with his lunch. He's not even looking over here. Alright. Check the box. Nope. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Alright. We're out of here. Let's check. Oh, there's a couple of poles in there. This is the trampoline dumpster. Excuse the view for a minute. So I get these out. I think that's it. Ugh, there's water in them. See that? Like a Spider-Man one, doesn't it? Thing's in pretty good shape. I should be able to get probably $20 for it at the yard sale, maybe 15, something like that. Maybe even 25. What is that? Somebody bought a keyboard. I don't think there's anything in the box, so alright, off to the next. Probably not going to be anything in them, but let's look. Oh, empty! How about the next one? I don't know what that one was, but this one's Hallmark. Ooh. There's stuff in here, I just don't know if it's any of it's good stuff. I think these are cards. A bunch of bolts. Oh, I thought that was an open box. Oh well. I was going to use it to hold these bolts. Let's see if I can hold them all. Got them. I'm going to get the cards. Bolts, I'm gonna put on, hold on. Alright, let's see if we can find more. Oh, there's some more bolts. Oh, those are gift boxes. That's what those are. There's a piece of metal. Plastic. Alright. Let's check the other side. We can use this for a hook to dig through stuff. That's metal. Looks like they just do a bunch of random stuff away in here. There's a bunch of envelopes. Oh, they got wet. Never mind. Alright, they got a whole bunch of stuff down in here. I'm going to shut the camera. Oh. Well, I think my camera got hot and it shut off. I got, an alright amount of metal out of there. It was probably not worth my time though. Alright, going on to the next. Well, thank you for coming along with us on this little ride of ours. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, be blessed.